If you're familiar with WordPress, you may have asked yourself, how can I source my latest posts through pages that are outside of WordPress?
In the past, we've mentioned how you can use third-party RSS aggregators like SimplePy and Magpie to fetch your latest posts from your blog's RSS feed.
Whilst these RSS aggregators do the job, there's actually a much easier way to display your recent posts on local web pages that reside outside of your WordPress installation.
With a little bit of PHP, you can simply nip into the WordPress and retrieve your recent posts.
As you're gaining access to all of WordPress's functions, you have full control over how many posts to fetch and from which categories, amongst other things. If we check out the Create homepage, we have recently reintroduced our news feeds onto our homepage, and our Create Design homepage isn't actually part of our WordPress installation. So we've used this script 4 times to stream our latest videos, our featured videos, and then also 2 additional categories from our blog. And you can see on the videos that we're also bringing through the featured image, which almost acts as a thumbnail for the blog posts. And we've limited each of the feeds to the latest 3 from each category. And the great thing about using this technique to access the WordPress functions and ultimately the loop is that you don't have any problems with special characters. If you see here where there's an ampersand, previously on Magpie or SimplePy for example, that usually comes through as a question mark because it struggles to convert the special characters. You also have access and ability to completely control and change the way that the date of each post is formatted, and we're also bringing through the little excerpt for each of the posts. So we've used this, like I said, 4 times, and they're all slightly different to bring through various bits and pieces. So obviously we've got the thumbnail for the videos, and then also in our featured videos category, there isn't actually a category of featured videos. We've used the code to select 3 specific videos to stream in that column. And all of the code is available to copy and paste from the supporting blog post. There's the core PHP script here, and all you have to do is just make sure that you change the path to the WP load file. So if your folder isn't WordPress, whether it's on the root or in a folder like blog, just simply update that. There's a quick installation guide, and if you want to target and bring through posts from a specific category, it explains how to do that. And then there's also a little bit of additional code if, like what we've done on our homepage, you wish to display the featured image or thumbnail for that post.
Don't forget that this method only works for pages that are on the same domain as the WordPress installation. I couldn't use this script to fetch the data from a different website's WordPress database.
So thank you for watching this week's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them on our supporting blog post.